Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this part design in SolidWorks. Now, just I'll enter into here, new part, let's say, okay. Now, as you can see, we are having here isometric view and if you see here, entire material is added with circular profile which is having here outer circle diameter of 86. Then here we are having sectional front view. So if we make cut section here exactly at center, we are able to see this shape, and this is the top view we are having, and this is the right side view we are having. So in cut section view, wherever you are able to see this cross section lines, there cut section of material is present, and wherever this white space is there, there removal of material is present. It means there is no material at this particular white section, and wherever hatching is there, there cut section of material is present. Now to create this part, just I'll enter into sketch on this front plane. Just we will create this one center point arc which is having radius of 90 exactly from horizontal point to vertical point. By using center point arc, I'll start from origin exactly from this horizontal to this vertical line. Just I'll come back to here like this. Dimension for this we are having radius of 90. Just we'll give radius of 90 here. Then add relation between origin point to this point. We need here horizontal relation. Clear selection. This point and this point we need here vertical relation. Let's say okay. As you can see, we got fully defined sketch. Then exit sketch. Just I'll make it here isometric by using here features. Now we need to add material with circular profile which is having diameter of 86 along with the center guide curve. So in such conditions, directly we can go here with swept boss, and as already we know and as we have discussed in before tutorials, while using swept boss, directly we are able to add material with circular profile. So no need to create separate sketch here. So diameter of the circle we need here 86. Just I'll give it 86. Then along with that, we are able to get here solid body, but inside we are having here hollow section which is having diameter of 54. So directly we can make this hollow section by turning on this thin feature. Just I'll turn on that thin feature. Then we need to give here thickness. Outer diameter circle we are having 86. Inner circle diameter we are having 54. If we make 86 minus 54, we will get here 32 on both directions. So thickness means we will get only one side. So if we make 32 by 2, we will get here thickness of 16 like this. Then one more thing we need to check, either this thickness is adding outside or inside. So just if I make it reverse direction, now thickness is going inside, but we need here in reverse direction like this. Just I'll say okay. So if you want to cross check whether these dimensions are correct or wrong, just you can use here evaluate tab. If it is not there, just you can go for mouse right click tabs. You can turn on this evaluate tab. I'll go here with measure. So I need to measure dimension for outer circle. It should be 86. As you can see, diameter we are having 118 and inner one is 86 we are getting. So it means while using this thin feature, by using here this one, we need a reverse direction. Let's say okay. Again if we check, outer circle diameter we are having 86, inner one we are having diameter of 54. Properly we got like this. So in this way you can measure by using this evaluate tab. Then next to that, we will add this extra feature. So either we can go with this option or else this now. Now let me go with this. We need to add material with the circular shape from this face. Now let me go for sketch on this top face. Just I'll enter into new sketch. Make it normal. Now we need one circle exactly with center point of that hole with a diameter of 165. So just I'll go for circle. To find out center point, I'll go on this curvature. You will find this center point here. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 165. Then just if I try to move this, it will be moving here. As you can see, freely it is moving. So just we will apply relation between this circle to any circle. We will make it here concentric relation. It means it will come with the same center point. Then along with that, inside also we need hollow part. So again we don't want to go for hole. Instead of going for separate hole, directly you can use this convert entitles and we can convert this circle into sketch like this. Now this one it will become hollow. Just you can go for exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to make this extrude boss. As you can see, this we need to make extrude boss of 25. So just we'll give here height of 25. Let's say okay, like this. Next to that, we will add this material. If both heights are same, we could have made mirror here, but this height is 25 and this height is 20. So separately we need to draw here. Now again I'll go for sketch on this face, make it normal. Just I'll create one circle exactly center of this. Dimension for this same we are having diameter of 165. Then relation between this to this we need here concentric relation. Just by using convert entitles, we will select this inner circle. Again exit sketch, make it isometric. This we need to make this extrude boss. We need only here 20. So we'll make it here only 20. Say okay, like this. So both these profiles done. Then we'll go for this extra addition of material. Now as you can see, we need to add material with circle which is having diameter of 50 from this face. So as already we know, we can't draw sketch on this curve surface. We can't enter into here new sketch. But if you see here, they have given distance from this face to this end. We are having dimension of 165. So whenever we are not able to create this sketch on this curve surfaces, if we are having distance, just we can create one reference plane. On that plane we will enter into sketch. We will draw the shape and we'll make it here extrude boss up to next. Now just we need here one reference plane. Exactly from this face they have given. That too we need in reverse direction. We'll make it here flip offset. Distance we are having here 165. Let me give the distance 165 like this. Then just I'll say okay. On this plane we'll go for sketch, make it normal. We need one circle with a diameter of 50 with a distance of 115 from top. We need one circle somewhere here. I'll draw. Diameter for this we are having 50. Then add relation between origin point to this point. We need exactly vertical relation. Then dimension from this top to the center point we are having height of 115 like this. Exit sketch, isometric. From here we need to make this extrude boss up to this next feature. So instead of making blind, properly we will keep it here up to next like this. So up to that next surface material will be added like this. So just you can click on this plane, we can hide this like this. Now all addition of material done. Then no pockets we are having here and no dress up features also. Directly we can go here with holes. Now to create holes, as you can see from top face, total 8 holes we want, which is having diameter of 16. It should be exactly on 126 BCD. Here BCD stands for base circle diameter. It means diameter of 16 hole should be exactly on this construction circle diameter of 126. Now just we'll go for here hole wizard. We need to create one legacy hole here which is having diameter of here 16. Depth we need up to next. Go for position. We need to create hole on this face. Just let me keep it somewhere here. Then make it normal. So we need only one more hole. You can use escape. Now, as you can see, hole is there exactly on this horizontal axis. Let me apply relation between this point to origin point by holding control. We will make it here horizontal. Then this hole should be exactly on this 126 BCD. To make that proper position, we will create one circle here. We will for construction purpose, let's say okay. Dimension for this we need here 126. Then again add relation. This circle center point should be on this construction circle. Make it here coincidence like this. As you can see, we got fully defined sketch. Let's say okay. Now by using this original hole, we need to create duplicate holes in circular direction, total 8. So directly we can select this hole and we can go here with circular pattern. With the reference to this circle, total we need here only 8 holes. Let's say okay. Like this we can create these holes. Then same similar to that we need here also. Just I'll try to make this mirror here. Again to make that mirror, one more reference we need to create, one inclined plane we create. It takes more time. Instead of that, again also we can create same one hole and again pattern. So again I'll go for same hole, diameter of 16, depth up to next, position on this face, escape, make it normal. Just I'll create one construction circle exactly from this center point like this. For construction purpose, dimension we need here 126 BCD. Add relation. This point should be exactly on this construction. Make it coincidence. This point and this point will make it here vertical. Done. Just say okay. Again same we will repeat. This hole we need to make circular pattern. Total we need 8 with reference to this. Just we need to select this edge here. With reference to that circle, pattern will be created. Then at end we are having one more here. Counterbore hole exactly center of this diameter 50 circle. So we need one more hole. Legacy hole. We need here counterbore hole. Go with counterbore. Now counterbore diameter we are having 20. Normal hole diameter we are having 16. Counterbore depth we are having here 24. Then normal hole depth we are having up to next. Counterbore diameter we are having here 24. Counterbore depth we are having here, counterbore diameter is 20. This depth is 24. Then normal hole diameter we are having here 16. Then depth should be up to next. Go for position. We need from this face exactly center of this curvature. You can go on curvature, you will get this center point. Let's say okay. Just we can make it here isometric. So like this we are able to create this part. Now we will check either our part is correct or wrong by making here top view. You can use shortcut key as Ctrl+5. This is the shape we are getting here. Then we are having here right side view, Ctrl+4 you can use. You can see right side view. Then we need front view, Ctrl+1. It should be with cut section here. So directly we can use here section view with reference to front plane. See, this is the shape we need. Like this we are able to create this part and we are able to check either our part is correct or wrong in this way, or else later in future tutorials we are going to learn about drafting. So whatever they given and however they given on drawing sheet, same thing we are going to place onto drawing sheet and we can cross check either it is correct or wrong like this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this is an informative video, please like and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you so much.